क्या मुसीबत है। अब वक्त हो चुका है भूतों के ड्रम बजाने का।
बच्चों का खाना, बच्चों का खाना, बच्चों का खाना। शॉपिंग कार्ट, शॉपिंग कार्ट, शॉपिंग कार्ट, शॉपिंग कार्ट। कैवियार, 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 कैवियार। टमाटर, 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 टमाटर। फुटबॉल, 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 फुटबॉल। टूल बॉक्स, टूल बॉक्स, टूल बॉक्स, टूल बॉक्स। फायरबग, 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 फायरबग। गरम चॉकलेट, गरम चॉकलेट, गरम चॉकलेट, गरम चॉकलेट, गरम चॉकलेट। टोपी, 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 टोपी।
The drum. The drum.
चल ही नहीं पा रहा था, पर जब उसकी जान पे बन आई तो अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा के उसने दौड़ लगाई मानो कि कुछ हुआ ही न था।
कहीं इस ड्रम में कोई आदमी तो नहीं जो मुझे छुपकर देख रहा हो और मेरे ड्रम के तरफ आगे बढ़ते ही और वहाँ जाकर उस ड्रम के पास धीरे धीरे उस ड्रम से
The wind was blowing against the drum, causing it to make the loud thumping noise. The jackal circled the drum cautiously, thinking there might be a dangerous animal inside. He approached the drum carefully but soon realized it was empty. There was no threat at all. It was just a simple drum making noise. The jackal, being cunning and clever, decided to use this opportunity to trick the other animals in the forest. He ran around telling the other animals, "Beware of the terrible creature near the tree. I heard its roar, and it is strong and dangerous." The other animals, hearing this, became frightened and avoided the area around the drum. Meanwhile, the jackal had free rein in the forest, as no one dared to go near the dangerous creature. He enjoyed plenty of food without having to compete with the other animals. Days passed, and the jackal grew smug with his trick. But soon, the animals realized that nothing was happening near the drum and that they had been fooled. They became angry and stopped trusting the jackal. From that day forward, no one believed his tales, and the jackal found it harder to survive in the forest. Moral of the story: being clever is good, but dishonesty and trickery can lead to loss of trust and respect.
War drum. War drum is a drum beaten as a call to battle. Had left a drum against the drum. He continued his search for food and found sufficient food and water right by the drum.
Jackal and the Drum. Once upon a time, there was a jackal. One day, Jackal was very hungry and was in search of food. While searching, he saw a big drum lying under a tree. Jackal thought there might be some animal inside the drum, but the top was too tough. So he thought of a plan and began to beat the drum. A leopard got attracted towards the sound of the drum. Jackal asked leopard to tear off the top of the drum to have a tasty meal. Leopard was also hungry, so he hit the top of the drum. The drum burst but was empty. Seeing this, leopard became angry and killed and ate the jackal.